Hello viewers, welcome to Girls Dairy. Today's DIY is to get rid of cracked heels. It will restore comfort and smoothness to your feet. You will get baby-like soft feet just in 2 weeks. Let's get started. Fill the basin or tub with warm water. Ensure it's comfortable to soak your feet in. Add 1 tablespoon of salt to the water. This helps soften the skin and relax your feet. Now add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. It helps in exfoliating and cleansing the skin and also helps in refreshing your achy feet. Adding 1 full lemon to the water. Lemon is a bleaching agent which detans and brightens the skin. It also helps to calm and relax the muscles. Add 2 spoons of liquid shampoo to the water. It removes dirt from skin and nails. Mix all the ingredients well. Soak your feet for 10 to 15 minutes to soften the skin and relax muscles. Use a foot scrub or stone to gently exfoliate the bottoms of your feet and heels. Focus on rough areas to remove dead skin cells. You can also scrub using lemon slices. Rinse your feet with clean water and pat them dry with a towel. Now it's the time for foot mask. I bought this peeling and exfoliating foot mask from Amazon. Link available in description. As you can see, it has 2 masks for right and left feet. Following the instructions, cut open the top of the mask. As you can see, they have mentioned right and left as well. Now carefully open the mask and put your feet in it. Stick the edge to the other end. Repeat the same for left feet also. The mask is so slippery. If you want to walk, be careful. As they have mentioned, leave the mask on for 90 to 120 minutes. Don't forget to remove nail polish and accessories before putting mask on. After 2 hours, I'm removing the mask. Let's see how it looks. It looks extremely hydrated and soaked in moisture. As they have mentioned in instructions, it will start peeling after around 1 week. Let's see. This is how my feet looks after 1 week. It is removing all the dead skin cells naturally. Do not remove dead skin from feet. Let it peel naturally. After 2 weeks, this is how my feet looks. It is so fresh, soft and supple. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to Girls Dairy.